Huadong Maglev Intelligent Manufacturing Project is located in the State-Level Development Zone, Mingshui Economic Development Zone, with a total investment of 500 million yuan, covering an area of 100 acres. The infrastructure is progressing steadily and is expected to be operational in 2025, and will mainly produce magnetic levitation high-speed motors, magnetic levitation blowers, air suspension blowers, magnetic levitation air compressors, and other equipment. The construction of the project has received strong support from the provincial, municipal and district governments, and when put into use, it can enhance the production capacity and product quality of the magnetic levitation equipment, shorten the supply cycle, and better serve multidisciplinary partners. In the future, Huadong Blower Company will continue to use the new quality productivity elements to empower the transformation and development. Constantly explore the new mode of intelligent manufacturing and contribute to the promotion of green low-carbon high-quality development. We will continue to report on the progress of the construction of the Maglev Intelligent Manufacturing Base and look forward to the completion and commissioning of the project base together with you.